But history tells a different story. Some of the most generous people have been taken advantage of. Some of the most compassionate souls have lived in silence, carrying burdens that were never theirs to carry.
You've probably seen those whiteboard animation videos all over YouTube. You know the ones, a hand drawing on a white background while a calm voice explains something, and somehow you just can't look away. Channels like After School blew up using this exact style. Now here's the crazy part. You used to need a team of animators and expensive software to make these. Not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a professional whiteboard animation video from scratch, completely free, using nothing but AI tools. No drawing skills, no fancy software, no money, just you, your laptop, and about 10 minutes. So stick around till the end, because I'm also giving you the exact prompt I use. You can copy and paste it and follow along. Let's get into it. Before we touch any tool, let me quickly break down the workflow so you know exactly where we're headed. There are basically 4 steps. Step 1. We write the script using ChatGPT. Step 2. We turn that script into whiteboard visuals using a free AI video tool. Step 3. We generate a professional voiceover. And Step 4. We stitch it all together in a free editor. That's it. 4 steps. Once you do this once, you'll be able to pump out videos like a machine. So let's start with the foundation. The script. Alright, head over to ChatGPT. The free version works perfectly fine for this. Now the secret here is not to just type, "write me a script." That gives you generic garbage. Instead, we use a structured prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly how to format everything. The narration and the visual description for each scene. I'll put the full prompt in the description so you can grab it. Just enter the prompt and hit the send button. The GPT is now trained for the idea and script. Now, we just have to type. Generate topics. ChatGPT will give us over 20 topics. We just have to select one of them. If you need more topics, just ask for it. Once you find the best idea, just copy the idea and paste it here. Now, we have to enter the duration of our video. For example, I want to create a 5-minute long video. So, I will just type 5 minutes. Now, GPT will write a full script for us. And here it is, the script is ready. Now, preview the script, and if there is anything wrong, you can customize the script. However, I think this script is really good. So, I will go with this script. Now, we have to break this script and create scene-by-scene prompt. And to do that, I will enter another master prompt. You will find the master prompt in the description. Once you place the prompt, it will break the script and start writing the prompt for every scene. And here it is. The prompts are ready. Now, we have to generate the actual video. I will use the free method to create the video. I will use Google Veo 3.1 to create the video. Now you can say, Veo 3.1 is not free. That's right. But we can generate 5 free videos daily on Google Glow. And we are going to use this opportunity. So, open Google Flow. Once you are on the Google Flow homepage, click on Create New Project. You can see that, at this moment, I am using a free account. Okay, come to the settings, set the video mode. Next, set the ingredients mode, as we don't have any reference image. Set your aspect ratio. If you're making a normal YouTube video, choose 16:9. If you're making a short or a reel, choose 9:16. For this one, I'm going with 16:9. Next, set the number of videos. In the end, set the model. I will go with the light model for faster generation. Okay, we are ready to go. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first scene prompt. Enter the prompt in the Flow prompt box. Hit generate and give it a few seconds to render. And there it is.
There is a dangerous illusion that many good people believe.
A clean whiteboard animation clip for scene 1. This is really amazing. Now, let's create the second scene. I am copying the prompt, pasting in the prompt box and hitting the generate button. And here is the second scene result.
They think that if they are always kind, always patient, and always willing to sacrifice for others, life will eventually reward them.
So, now we can create perfect whiteboard animation video like this using Veo 3.1. Now using the same method, create all other scene video. After generating 5 video clips, you have to wait for next day to create video for free. However, you can use another account to create more videos. I am using another account and generating all other scenes. Once all the video clips are ready, save them to your device. Now there is an important part. Although Veo 3.1 comes with voiceover in every single clip, but the problem is, it's not consistent. So I will create the voiceover with the script and replace it later. And to create the voiceover, I will use Google AI Studio. Once you are inside Google AI Studio, come to the playground section. Select the model option from here. You will find all the features here. We have to select the speech and music option. Now, we have to select the Gemini 3.5 Flash TTS preview. In the next step, you will find some templates. For our video, the training guide will be the best. Now, you can customize the scene and sample context. I won't change anything. Now here in this box, we have to enter the script. Once the script is set, you can change the speaker from here. Once everything is set, hit the run button from here and then wait for some time. And our voiceover is ready. Now save this to your device. Once the voiceover and video clips are ready, you can assemble them with a video editor and make the final video like this.
There is a dangerous illusion that many good people believe. They think that if they are always kind, always patient, and always willing to sacrifice for others, life will eventually reward them. But history tells a different story. Some of the most generous people have been taken advantage of. Some of the most compassionate souls have lived in silence, carrying burdens that were never theirs to carry.
And there you have it. Script, visuals, voiceover, and editing. All done with free AI tools. In under 10 minutes. No skills, no budget, no excuses. The exact prompt I used is sitting in the description, so go grab it and make your first video today. Seriously, don't just watch this and forget it. Try it. If this helped you out, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, and subscribe because I drop new AI tutorials like this every single week. Alright, that's it for me. Now go make something awesome. I'll catch you in the next one.